Good morning, Jamaican insiders. Welcome to Lady Musgrave, Jamaica before 7 a.m. Hope you will enjoy this one. And our first stop, our first turn, is on Brompton Road. As you can see, this lovely building on our right is a set of apartments with some nice rooms. I believe they also are on Airbnb. The Bromptons. Brompton West Apartments. But the ones I'm talking about are the blue and white. Those. So it's now 5:44 a.m. here in Jamaica. Let me know in the comment section what time it is by you. What time are you watching this? Brompton Terrace on our left. That road is a bit rocky. It's no carpet at all. Pyramid on our right, Worthington Terrace on our left. Spick and Span, that blue building on our right. Of course, that's where you get your laundry done. Still here on Lady Musgrave, straight ahead would take us onto Trafalgar Road. We're just going to continue. We're going to take this right and continue on Lady Musgrave Road. AC Hotel on our right. One of the newest hotels here in Kingston. Going across Seaview Avenue, still on Lady Musgrave Road. The child care on our right. Upper Musgrave Avenue on our left. You may know this is my second time doing this road, Lady Musgrave Road. So I'm trying to show you what I didn't show you in the other video. And to see the other video, you just see the link in in the description. Alright, so I'm gonna take a turn here on Linstone Crescent. Linstone Court on our left. Have you ever been on this road? Yes, good morning to you too. Yes. I agree. Okay. I don't think they're happy to see me. You have some older houses on this road here. Nice neighborhood. Well maintained. Straight ahead is Hope Road. Of course, we can't get onto Hope Road. That way has been blocked. But that's King's House right there that we're looking at straight ahead. To give you the best view. See, the problem is the house is far from the gate. The houses are far from the gate, so it's difficult to see them. And now we're back onto Lady Musgrave Road. Lilford Avenue. Don't want to stray too far from Lady Musgrave Avenue. Lady Musgrave Road. Don't want to stray too far from Lady Musgrave Road. So let me head back. Let's have a look at the Gladstone Drive. Some construction taking place on our right. The sun is coming up. Time to rise and shine. If you're still in bed. back on Lady Musgrave Road. Lady Musgrave Avenue on our right. There's a plaza on our right that has some good food. If you want to eat here, you definitely can check it out. Passing by the courtyard on our left. Quite a few restaurants are there. And there's a TGIF, or TGI Fridays, rather, here right on Lady Musgrave Road. Jamaican Insiders, this is Lady Musgrave Road, Jamaica before 7 a.m. Passing by the Kaya Herb House on our left. This is the plaza I was telling you about that has good food, and it's worth checking out. So if ever you're in the area, you can check them out. Musgrave Mews on our left. Eden Gardens on our right, Argyle Road on our right. The BMW car dealership and AC Hotel on our left. Nirvana Indian cuisine is served there. span. Couple of places to get your laundry done. On our right is where we could find Spartan, but it is now closed. And for the plant lovers, you can stop by this place. Best Buds on our left. They have some plants and pots there, so you can definitely check them out. I think they owe me a check. I'm giving them free advertising, eh? As you can see, we are just about to finish Lady Musgrave Road. Thank you so much for sticking and staying with me until the end. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hit that like button if you did, as always, and let me know in the comment section your thoughts of this video and of Lady Musgrave Road. Always a pleasure hearing from you. Do subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. I see quite a few are watching and not subscribing. What's up with that? Come on now, join the family. Jamaican Insiders. So definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell for all. Thank you so much. So until next time, do take care.